It's 13th of July. Okay, no issue. Let's unbox this first. So guys, I bought this from Amazon and I received this long ago. I guess I'm not seeing any date mentioned on it, but I will screenshot here. I guess I see more of the reviews of this on internet, and according to me, I have found a perfect solution for washing your cars and your other vehicles. All you have to do is to pump it up. It won't need any electricity and it can easily wash your car by different attachments, which we'll unbox right now. Okay, so here we have a huge, I guess, let me first unbox all the equipments I received with this. Okay, unbox will I kept box here. Framing. Okay, so this has a 8 liter of capacity and you have to fill it like 3/4 only. 3/4 is, let me see, it's you have to fill like 6 liters, and rest of the 2 liters will be for pumping action only. I will show that pumping action later. And yeah, I have a warranty card also, which is signed. That's a good thing. Signed, and it has a cash memo of 17th June, as you can see, and bill is attached here. Next, it's a microfiber cleaning cloth, really soft in touch. We have bristles brush and attachment nozzle right here. Other than that, we have a kind of pouch with us. It's portable pressure washers and much more stuff. I will read all these manuals and then I'll get back to you. We have 2 washers. Yeah, this one, a kind of you can say a key or something. Another washer, some more washers, and a nozzle. This all are the attachments only. So let's come to the main thing. So I have an inch tape with me, and let me measure this. Okay, so this thing is 2 meter long. Alright, so you can see, and next is the nozzle. And nozzle length is around 1 feet. It has a push button over here, and I guess speed control or knob control over here. And here goes the attachment. Like I can see, if I want to attach this thing, all I have to do is this and screw it down. Just push hard and screw it back, and I guess it's attached. And here is a small little dot, it's for pressure washing. And if you don't like this thing and you have to clean really large area, so you have to attach this bristle attachment like this. Pushes as hard as possible, and yeah, that's it. That's attachment thing. And let me measure the bristle length. It's 10 inches. So yeah, let's try something for now, and I will wash my vehicle, let's say tomorrow, क्योंकि आज बहुत धूप पड़ गई है बाहर और हम ऑलरेडी लेट हैं. Let's fill this and try in a little area first. You can wash, you can work out with this. Let's see the pressure. So pressure was a little bit slow. Let me attach the pointed nozzle temporarily. Oh, that's good. So guys, this was the unboxing, and I will continue my next washing video with this in just a few seconds for you, but I will do this tomorrow, so we'll meet in a second.
All the choices you made, did you make them up? All the choices you made, did you make them up?
So for removal of the top, you have to grab this thing, not this one, this thing. Just grab it and turn, as you can see, and the whole white part will also come out with this.
Choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 again.
तो गाइस अभी भी 1-1.5 लीटर जैसा पानी बचा है. दैट मीन्स हमने अराउंड 6 + 6 12 10 साढ़े 10 लीटर के आसपास पूरा खर्च किया। और कार की हालत आप देख सकते थे, बहुत बुरी थी। तो अगर एक नॉर्मल फैमिली कार के लिए बोले तो वो 6-7 लीटर मोर देन इनफ है। आप डेली यूज़ कीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी। Cleaning cloth is actually a good quality. It's not enough for a family car. Till then, bye bye.